Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how do you change name on Instagram without the need of Facebook. So simply just open your Instagram app. So once you have opened your Instagram app, all you have to do is go to your profile. So click on your profile, and once you get to your profile you'll see an option called edit profile there. So click on edit profile, and once you get here you'll see the option called name. So click on name, and here it should let you change update your name. So make changes to your name or update it to whatever you wanted to change it to. And once you have done with that, all you have to do is click on the blue tick here. So once you click on the blue tick, this should update your Instagram name, and just make sure that you can only make these changes twice every 14 days. So yep, just keep that in mind. And then once you're done with that, and that's it. So this should update your Instagram name. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.